Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube page. My name is Chris, but I go by Chris Sounds. That's my rap name. Today I'm coming to you with a hair tutorial. A lot of people ask me, what products I use, how do I comb it or brush it, how do I wash my hair? And today I'm gonna answer all of those questions. So just stay tuned in, stay seated, and let's get to it.
Alright, so here's what you need. You're gonna need shampoo. I prefer to use shampoo by Aussie. Then you're gonna need a conditioner. I also prefer to use it by Aussie. You're gonna need a scrunchie or some type of hair tie. A comb, I prefer using a wide comb for my hair. And then you're gonna need a leave-in conditioner, but the one I recommend is the one by African Pride. So here is just what my hair looks like before I get in the shower. Just gonna show you guys that. And then the first step, of course, putting my hair down before I start to put water on it. And that's what my hair looks like when it's dry. So when I wake up or throughout the week. All right, so here the process is starting. I'm applying water to my hair. And then what I'm doing here, I like to kind of finger comb through my hair and then start pulling it apart before I even have to use a comb. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm separating my hair into different pieces. So I separate one side to the other side, and then after I do that, I begin to comb each side. So I'm just showing you here what my hair looks like after I get done combing it. It's not tied up, not knotted. Then of course the same thing I did to the other side, I'm doing to the other side right now. And as well, that side is not knotted up. No knots, just falling, balling. All right, and then what I do is I flip my hair over the top and I comb it that way as well. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Then I wet it one more time, and then I get the shampoo. Once again, that's by Aussie. Now, if you have better recommendations, let me know. But I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not gonna change because that's what works for me. If it's not broke, don't fix it. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm just shampooing my hair. I don't shampoo the whole head, I just shampoo the scalp. But as you can see, I'm still getting shampoo on my hair, but I'm not, shampooing my hair as a whole. Massaging my scalp, they say that works. So I do it. I guess it has been working. So they say. It feels good though. It does. All right, now I'm getting the shampoo out of my hair. And while I'm doing this, I'm massaging my scalp as well. I don't want to leave anything left over. All right, and then once again, like I did before, I'm separating my hair, kind of finger combing through it. And then like I did before, combing through my hair. Now I keep it in two pieces during the whole process because I go from one side to the other side. That's just how I do it, I only use two pieces. I know other people, they might have like 4, 8 pieces. I don't need that many. So now this is not the leave-in conditioner. This is the conditioner by Aussie. That's what I use. So now I'm gonna start applying the conditioner. I usually start like on the top of the hair and then from the top to the bottom. And then after I do that, I use it again and then I go underneath the hair from top to bottom. Speeding up the process. Then last but not least, I get some more and then I hit my ends. I put it on the ends, massage through it because they say that's important. I heard some people say to do that first, but I don't. I just personally don't. Not that I'm against it. That's just how I do it. Then just like the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing to the opposite side. So you can see I'm drying my hair. I don't use a towel. I just dry with my hands, just kind of like squeeze through it to get majority of the water out as much as I can. Then there we go, applying the conditioner again. Same steps, start from the outside, top to bottom, then gradually make my way underneath from top to bottom. And as I'm doing this, I don't know if I mentioned, but because I'm doing all of this off the fly, I don't have like a script, I finger comb through my hair. So I finger comb the conditioner through the hair, and I also rub the conditioner on my hair. So I do both. And that's just me applying conditioner to both sides again. I'm telling you, by the end of the video, your hair gonna be right. I won't make any guarantees. I don't want nobody getting mad at me. And another thing I do is I get conditioner, and then at the part, I like to put conditioner there. Why? I don't know. It was just something I started doing, and I kept doing it. So when you get done applying the conditioner, this is what your hair looks like. At least mine does. That's what my hair looks like. Just showing y'all the length. All right, now your scrunchie is coming into place, or whatever hair tie you have. So at this step, I'm just gonna put my hair up, because after I get done putting my hair up, I'm gonna take a shower afterwards. Let the conditioner sit. So the conditioner is gonna sit probably like 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just showing you guys what that looks like at this process. Little flex. And then this is the part where I go shower. And now I'm back. So when I come back, this is what my hair looks like after sitting for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20. All right, now we're back at it, and all I'm doing is putting my hair back down. At this point, it starts getting pretty shiny. Get that shine look to it. All right, then once again, I separate both sides of my hair into like portions, and I start combing again. As you can see through the video, I comb my hair a lot. I think that's important. And that's just me slowly combing through my hair, showing you guys what it looks like. All right, now at this step, like I said, I don't dry my hair with a towel, but I'm just drying both sides and squeezing out anything left. And that's just what it looks like after I get done. So all the conditioner I apply to my hair, majority of it comes out. But one thing I don't do is I don't rinse out the conditioner. I just squeeze it out as well as the water. Squeeze the water out with conditioner, but I don't rinse out the conditioner. Then after that's completed, this is what my hair looks like. Then one more time at the end when I'm getting done, I just put all of my hair together and then squeeze out any water, see any other conditioner left in there. And that's what the hair looks like at the dry stage, somewhat. All right, now we're gonna put the leave-in conditioner by African Pride into my hair. I don't get a whole lot, but I get enough. I guess it depends on your hair type and depends on your preference. But my hair doesn't need a lot. So I just start massaging that through or finger combing through my hair. Then I also apply it to the ends. And then while I do that, like I finger comb and then I try to separate the ends, make sure they're not getting like stuck, no knots or anything like that. I'm telling y'all, this product is some good stuff. Hey, you walk around being like, hey, what's that in your hair? I hear that all the time. They're like, it smells so good. I'm like, yeah, it's that African pride. I can put y'all on. And then what I'm doing here, for preference, it's not necessary. I just like doing it. The reason I do this and put the leave-in conditioner on the side by my ear is because I don't like my hair falling like over my ear. Even though it does sometimes, but this helps to keep it behind my ear because that's just how I like it. Well, I was saying, like, people love the smell of this stuff. Like, it's very light, like the texture of it. And throughout the day, your hair will be soft. Now, when you first get done, it might be hard, but it still has a good texture to it. There goes those curls. I'm just showing you guys different angles after it's been dry.
Now that we have come to the end of the video, the first thing I'd like to do is thank everybody for watching. I appreciate that. I appreciate you guys. I can't say that enough. I hope that everything I explained was understood. I hope I didn't confuse anybody. I hope I didn't miss anything, even though I don't think I did. But if I did, or you have any questions, please feel free to comment or message me. And you know, that ends everything. So if you could, please like, subscribe, share, comment. That'll help me a whole lot. Follow me on my social media pages. That'll also help me a whole lot. Once again, I appreciate you guys, and make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of that. And it's Chris Sounds, and I'm out.